Every fabrication shop needs a bandsaw. I don't care what you're doing, you need a saw. It's the one tool I think you use every single day. This particular machine here is the BAILEIGH BS-24A. And this thing has a capacity of up to 15 by 24 inches. That's a pretty big chunk of material right there. It has a fully automatic operation of feed and cutting functions and a hydraulic feed table. Has a dual clamp bundling system, which is really cool. It actually works both horizontally and vertically to hold your material. The waste chip removal system is an auger type, and it just looks really cool and does a great job. It's hydraulically powered as well. On the control panel here to the left side, you see these two different rheostat dial controls. This top one here actually controls how fast the blade cuts, so depending on how thick and or hard the material is, you can control the speed. And this dial right here actually controls how fast the blade drops, again, depending on the material you're cutting. The touchscreen control panel is made for easy automatic programming and such, but there is a selector switch up here, so if need be, you can turn to a manual mode and operate all functions manually. In manual mode, you can actually control the raising or lowering of the bow with these two switches right here. As the bow comes down, you can see it's moving quite fast there. I can slow this down with the rheostat. I'll show you. So as the bow's coming down, you can see I can increase the speed or decrease the speed, again depending on what material you're cutting and how fast you want to cut through it. The cutting head on this machine too can actually miter up to 45 degrees, so if you're doing multiple cuts up to 45 degrees, this machine can handle it. The power is 220 volt 3-phase.